like you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around.
3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? It's your boy Ryan.
And Chanel.
And we are
The.Benzos.
I feel like that was horrible.
No.
Okay. 2, 1. What is up, guys? It's your boy Ryan.
And it's your girl Chanel.
And we are fucking gosh.
Okay.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Ryan.
And it's your girl Chanel.
And you're watching
The.Benzos.
Dun, 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 dun.
You're watching Disney Channel.
Nah. So, for like a year and some change, you guys have been asking us questions about how we know each other, how we met, and like a bunch of things. So, what better way? We got a mukbang,
Q&A.
a mukbang, a
A
mukbang,
mukbang.
something like that's one of those. It don't matter. And what better way to answer your questions than with some pizza, a pepperoni pie, and some buffalo wings. So we're gonna start busting this down.
Oh, you can't forget it. Come on, The.Benzos.
I think y'all just need to sponsor us because this is all I'm drinking. And we're actually like in a rush right now. Well, not a rush, but we got a little something for tonight.
Yeah. What's the movie?
It starts at 7:30. So we're going to the movies to see.
The Grudge.
That's another thing. I remember like a while ago, we were going to the movies every single
No, we really.
Tuesday.
My mother said that today too. She was like, "Movie Tuesdays is back." I was like, "Yeah."
We was going every Tuesday. Hey, what's
You
the
didn't
plot?
get praise, son.
Huh?
Oh, now you.
I'm praying. You guys have been anticipating this video for like how long?
Like a year.
I think more than a year. It's been a while. So we was like, what better way? We got a camera, we got the light, we got food, we got each other, we're lit.
Period.
But yeah, so we're gonna go to the movies. Probably after this, we're greedy. We're always eating. You guys know this. We're always eating. What makes it better is like,
Tissue.
you need what? I'm sorry, I looked at my pizza and I got lost. You said you need what?
Tissue.
I gotta get up. Y'all stay there. We got a bunch of questions. We put up a poll on our Instagram. If you guys aren't already following us, it's at the.Benzos on Instagram. We're doing pretty good. We just hit what?
8K.
8K? It's a pretty good ratio. You guys are very active. You guys are always showing us love. We support it. Thank you. It means a lot. You guys can't even say these wings don't look fire right now. Like, look at these. Look at these. Ooh, they're moist. They're juicy. They smell good.
They definitely do.
They're hot. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think the only reason they're like this is because the guy behind the counter thought she was cute. And it happens all the time. Every time we're together and we're ordering food, we always get more than we ask for. And you know why? Because someone's beautiful ass always ends up getting the cashier at the register to like her. I don't understand, but you know what? That's life.
It's like, first question is, where are you guys from? Where are you from, babe?
The best state in the whole world. 3, 2, 1.
New
New
York.
York. Come on now. And we're specifically like we're from Brooklyn. So
Come on now.
it's a Brooklyn love story. And that's on.
That.
I bet.
If you see us, say something.
Always.
Because somebody saw him and didn't say, wait, what happened?
I was in McDonald's and her name is Bianca. So Bianca, if you see this, yo.
Yo.
I was on break at work and I go to McDonald's, and while I'm at McDonald's, she doesn't want me eating McDonald's. That's another thing. She tells me to stop. I can't stop. I'm sorry, baby. I love you. So I was in McDonald's and a girl stopped me. She was like, oh my God, I know you. I'm like, I don't know you though. She was like, oh my God, you have like an Instagram page. It's you and your girlfriend. I was like, oh, like what is it? The.Benzos? I was like, yeah, that's us. Hi. But that's my son Bun. My son Bianca. But we're always in the city.
Yeah.
I remember when we first started talking, like, we went to H&M one time, and a group of, like, 3 kids stopped her. And I was like, no way this is happening.
Are you guys going to college? Now we dropouts.
Huh? Facts. I go to Decree. Where do you go?
What?
I go to Decree. You know what?
I go to my bed.
You know Decree. Oh. But no, we do go to college.
Oh, my son Kobe.
I'm a junior and my baby right here is a sophomore.
Mm-hmm.
So, did you guys ask this? I think it was like. Is there a hole in my mouth? Okay.
Wait. So this next question, y'all, is about to be a debate. My son Kobe, go listen to his music. What's more important to y'all, loyalty or trust? I say loyalty.
I think they're the same thing.
I think if you're loyal to someone, they should already trust you.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I said loyalty.
And I think if you
But-
trust someone, I think doesn't that show your loyalty to them if you trust? Like, I don't know. It's an iffy question.
Not really, because you could trust somebody. And then-
Baby, there's food everywhere. I feel like it goes hand in hand when it goes with like loyalty and trust. I feel like they're almost the same thing. I know they're not, but like even with us, we trust each other a lot, and our loyalty runs deep. So, I mean, that's what it is.
Mm-hmm. But if I had to choose one, I would say loyalty. Because you could trust somebody, and then they could be doing shit behind your back. But if you're loyal to them, you can't trust them. Okay.
But just because they're loyal doesn't mean that they trust you though. Because
Yeah, but I'm just saying, like, okay, whatever.
see what y'all did. You started the argument. We didn't want that. We didn't need that negative energy. The year just started.
When was your first kiss at? When? I think
When?
you meant to say
Where?
but it was. Where was it, babe?
So our first date. No,
Yeah,
not
hold on, hold on.
Not our
Don't
first.
judge me, because I would never kiss somebody on the first date. But I don't know what he did. Like, it just happened.
So, we went on our first date. So, of course, we went to the movies and we saw. Do you remember? We saw The Hate You Give, and movie amazing. We recommend it if you're talking to someone. It's a good ass movie. So we saw The Hate You Give. Then we went to Buffalo Wild Wings. We still go to Buffalo Wild Wings.
Well,
Okay.
Hell no, to the no, 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 yeah, to the no.
Nothing's
don't
changed.
do that.
You didn't hear that? Went to see The Hate You Give. After we went to Buffalo Wild Wings, so nothing really changed. We still do the same things. And after that, called an Uber to her house, dropped her off at her step, and I ain't gonna lie, she was looking like a little snack when I first approached her on the steps. So I'm like, So you know me, I try to spin a little game. You know it ain't work, cause you know when you working with a little gorgeous thing like that, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And I just grabbed her, and she looked me in my face like, "Oh my God, don't do it."
Shut up.
And yeah, first kiss happened at her house, in front of her house.
Mm-hmm. The next question is, how is life? Is it good? And people say we have to be with some. Do we have to be with some?
You have to be with someone to be happy.
No, that is not what she said. How is life? Is it good? Life is great.
Amazing.
People say we have to be with some. Do we have to be with some?
What?
Sorry, I don't.
No.
I'ma just say she was like, "Do you have to be with someone to be happy?"
Do you have to be with somebody to be happy? No.
No, but it's nice.
Yeah, it's nice, but you should never depend on somebody to be happy.
That's a fact. I depend on her though.
I depend on him too,
I be lonely.
but don't listen to us.
We be lonely.
How did y'all meet?
You gonna eat
We're
this wing?
skipping that.
This is yours.
Why are you touching my wing?
This is yours?
Yes. How did y'all meet?
Y'all gotta wait on that.
Next video. If y'all get this video to
I'll take 100 likes. I'll settle with less. I'll take 100. We have 100 subscribers. We should get.
the ice make this.
Yeah, it's kind of watered down.
But we have a.
You do.
Baby. Even if we don't hit 100, we still gonna drop.
What was your first impressions of each other?
You go first for that.
Oh gosh. Okay, so first of all, he asked me out, and never did that happen in the way he did it. So at first I was just like, okay. So we planned our outfits. I showed him what shoes I was wearing and everything, And the next day, I walk out my house. This boy is standing here with flowers. Standing here with flowers in his hand. I was like, no, I'm dreaming. So I was just like, okay. I started blushing, you know. And then, what happened? He was just basically looking at me. I think we was just staring at each other for mad long because it was just like it was the first time we met. So, yeah. I was just like, okay, he's sweet. He did the flowers thing, like that's nice. He got good style. He was looking fly, you know.
I was wearing that Nike Tech hoodie and some Nike sweats.
No, you wasn't.
Yes, I was.
You was?
I was.
Because he was wearing Nike leggings with a jean jacket.
A black shirt.
Yeah, exactly.
And my Louis.
But you said I look cute though. You said I was fly.
Yeah. But you could never judge based on that. So I had to talk to him. So then we talking.
I just got one thing to ask. From that day we first met to now, has Ryan changed at all?
What do you mean?
Is it the same person from that date? That it's like the same
Yeah.
person you have as a boyfriend?
Mm-hmm.
I bet. Just making sure. We need consistency. You can't be mad nice the first date and then
What I
10
always
years.
say? Tell him what I always say. Don't introduce me to
A vibe you can't handle? Is,
a vibe you can't maintain.
damn. That looks bad. Y'all got what I was trying to say though. My first impression, the first time I physically like met her, I'm not gonna say I was nervous because you're not supposed to be nervous. You always want to walk in with like a positive mind. When I've been holding this piece of crust for like 10,
Ew.
so
I pulled up.
and I'm thinking there's no point being nervous. Like I'm already there. And it's like I already got the night planned, so just like we just gotta fall through.
Oh
And
yeah, also he didn't tell me. Did you tell me what we was doing, or was it like a?
no,
Oh, okay.
I just said I was coming in.
Mm-hmm.
So I go and I pick her up, and I'm thinking like, yo, I already have the flowers in my hand. Like, if you guys go on our Instagram at The.Benzos, gotta put it there one more time. If you go to our very first post, it was me in like the kitchen recording myself, like, yo, this is really happening.
And
Oh
that
my
post will
god.
be inserted right here.
Is the day. I'm going to be meeting Chanel for the first time. I'm not going to tell you guys how we met until we reach that point in our relationship. But for the first time, I'm going to be meeting Chanel. I'm kind of nervous. Just a little bit. I mean, you never know what you're getting yourself into. So yesterday, I had a couple things planned. I went and made a couple reservations. Had to go and pick a couple things up, order a couple things.
And I'm like, okay, so I already got this, I already got that, I already know where I'm going, I already know what I'm doing. So it's just like a matter of getting there and like actually, like I would have been upset. I would have been upset if the girl I thought I was speaking to wasn't the girl I thought I was speaking to. So I'm like, okay, so I already got this, I already got that, I already know where I'm going, I already know what I'm doing. So it's just like a matter of getting there and like actually, like I would have been upset. I would have been upset if the girl I thought I was speaking to wasn't the girl I thought I was speaking to. So I pull up and I see her and I'm like, yo, she actually looked this good. No. How does she look this good? This can't be real. She's definitely like...
Mind you, I didn't even have my eyebrows wasn't done. Like I was just.
Cause I'm ugly, and my pockets aren't giant. So the fact that she's like, I like you. I'm like, she want me? No.
And then we kept going on. I'm like, nah, that's my husband. Period. I knew.
You said husband on first date?
Mhm.
Husband on first date?
I knew.
I felt that.
I knew. Like I just something said it right now. Y'all getting married. I'm like, this is him. Okay.
She's not wrong though.
This is a lifetime thing.
Mhm.
When we signed up to be in this relationship, there's no going back.
Period.
And that's that one.
That.
I love that. Next question. Let's hit him with a new one.
Okay.
Come
I
on.
think the other one was how old are y'all?
I'm 20.
I'm 25.
25.
I'm 19. I must be 20 in 3 weeks.
Oh, fun fact.
You guys probably know it already. But we got the same birthday.
Mhm.
So that means I'll be 21 on the 25th and she's going to be 20. So we're lit. It's going to be a movie. And we should definitely vlog that day.
We should.
That'll be a fire ass
We're gonna
day.
do a whole weekend thing, right? Again, like a Friday, Saturday, Sunday thing.
Yeah,
Did you take off yet?
No.
I can make that happen.
Thank you.
Okay.
The most annoying thing about each other. What? You go, because I want to hear what you got to say.
I don't know.
But I think I'm up to the point in this relationship where it's like I don't get annoyed anymore. I just like realize it's like, that's Chanel being Chanel. Just let her do what she wants. Like I don't get annoyed anymore. I just let her. I'm just a squirrel in her world trying to get a nut. Pause. But yeah, I wouldn't say like anything's annoying. Every time I touch her, she always says, "Do not mess up my hair." That blows. I give a hug too hard. Ryan, my hair. I want to play fight. Ryan, my hair. Like, bro, I can't touch her without.
Listen.
Go.
If I'm looking cute, and you're gonna mess up my hair, that means I have to do it over again.
No, you don't.
Who wants to do that?
Even if it looked messy, you still look cute.
Now this.
I've been saying that since day uno. I can't lie. Buffalo sauce on the pizza.
Sorry. You drop something one more time.
No. What's the most annoying thing about me?
Oh. I was dead supposed to read the next question.
I know. I gotta stop you.
The most annoying thing, probably your attitude. I'm used to it now though. Like, I took the time to understand the type of person he is, so now it's just like, alright, it's just one of those bad days. So I let it slide. But he's gotten better because I told him about it. Right. How did y'all meet and what's y'all 2020 goals?
We can't tell you how we met.
Sorry,
But we can
baby.
tell you our goals.
Here you go. Period. You could go first because I probably.
I went first last time.
I don't know. I kind of just wanna. I wanna do more with my acting. Get myself out there. And then also, I wanna start procrastinating. Just wanna get to that bag.
One of my goals for 2020 is to save more, spend less. I have a problem when it comes to shopping. I'm always shopping. And I realized that is like horrible. We're in our 20s. Well, she's just not hitting her 20s, but like we're in our early 20s. And we're at a point where we should really start saving.
Yeah, especially for the future. Like, we're getting older. And we have things to save for in the future.
Another thing was
To drink more water. I stopped drinking soda. As of January 1st, 2020, Ryan has stopped drinking soda.
Yeah, guys. Yeah.
I realized ever since I started working where I work at Aldo. Insert logo. I started working at Aldo. There's a McDonald's across the street. There's a Chick-fil-A across the street. It's just like, it's there. It's $1. And the cup is like that big, that fat. Pause.
Gay!
So it's like, I high key, because I'm mad skinny. I'm mad for real. I wanted to work out. I doubt that's happening.
But yeah, those are just a few.
When are y'all planning to have a baby? And I love y'all content.
We love
Good
you too.
looking.
Who said that? Tell you the name?
That boy, Bob. 15.
That boy Bob.
Bob.
Good looking, my guy.
My son Bob. Okay, but you have to give them an exact.
I want to have a baby when I'm like
27.
We just want to be fully situated with our careers,
If I
financially
could,
stable.
if I could barely take care of myself, I can't take care of a child. So I'm assuming when I'm like 27 and I'm in my field, when we're in our respective fields, we'll be financially stable to take care of a child. But until further notice,
We want to be the best parents that we can be.
no. That guy Bob.
That guy Bob. Who made the first move? Okay, so this part is tricky. Because let me tell y'all, this boy didn't have the balls to text me first. So,
That's a lie. That is a lie.
No.
That is a
'Cause
lie.
if I would have never text you, but I don't
That's
even
a
think
lie.
you no.
She is lying.
I
No.
didn't text you first?
I was asleep.
Okay.
I was asleep.
No. So if I wouldn't have texted you, would have texted me first?
Yes. What type of question is that? Do you not
That's
see
it.
yourself? Why would I not? Is she crazy? Here. What?
It though. It was still me, wasn't it?
She made the first move. Okay, let's give that to her. But I made the first border jump to something more real. You feel me? Like she could have texted me, but I established like, yo, this is us. This was that date. I initiated that. So I'm Jack. I made the first move. You know, I don't care. She can have it.
He saw me first.
You know, I just realized.
Same question too. When I like this question. When's the next vacation? If you guys didn't know, in August we went to DR together. First vacation. It was really fun. I enjoyed myself a lot.
It was a dope little vibe.
We didn't expect it to happen.
And then it just popped up. The opportunity came and I took it. Like that shit.
It was lit. Hey, yo.
What?
The opportunity popped up and I just took it. Hey, yo.
How's it?
Yes, energy. Energy. I can't say that. It was lit.
Yeah.
The hotel was nice. The beach was fire.
Pool.
The pool was Gucci.
The food. Okay, the food was.
The things that happened behind the scene, lit.
The things that happened behind the scenes.
We watched like the butterflies migrate. That was fire.
What?
The butterflies migrate.
Oh, I thought.
But yeah, that was dope. When's the next one? Hopefully soon.
New Year. That means summer is still right around.
Around the corner.
Don't say that, cause yeah, he's going away and he's not bringing me. So I'm sad.
So,
I'm hurt.
so you hold on.
I'm gonna cry.
So you still not crossed?
That's how you feel? Ah, that's why I went. I knew
She was gonna give it to me. And when you watch that back, you're gonna see. As soon as you start, I said, and you put it on off.
What's the hardest thing about your relationship?
Time management.
Yeah.
Time management.
We have a dope relationship. Like, we was best friends at first. Sorta, kinda. So we still have that best friend title.
Bro,
And then we're
talking to her is like talking to one of my homies. Like, it's just be a real ass conversation. We be chilling.
facts.
Oh, I posted this on our
Instagram at The.Benzos.
Oh.
She doesn't know how to eat a chicken wing. Bro.
Oh, one more.
I bet.
I didn't see this one. Oh wait, there's two. Okay. What do you guys like the most about each other?
Like I said, it doesn't feel like I say it. She hates when I say it. I don't feel like I understand this is my girlfriend. Like this is my wife. This is my baby mom's. Like I understand that, but when you lower the title and you bring it down to like that's my best friend, that's my bro, that's my homie. Like you really understand like the level of love and respect you have for a person. So the fact that I'm comfortable, I could tell her anything. And I know like what I told her isn't going out into the world. It's not getting blown out of proportion. So the fact that I have someone when I'm down in the dumps that I can speak to, like sometimes my friends aren't around, sometimes they're busy, they have their own plans, their own lives. I don't want to feel like a burden on anybody. So when I can just say, oh babes, I just want to talk for a little, I want you to know what's going on with my life, what's going on with me, how I feel. It's a dope experience. And she's very open. She listens to everything. So I like it. And she's cute.
This is my little homie match.
Mouth.
I like how creative you are. Just the dates, like I feel like you actually put thought into it. Great. And that's fire because I don't want somebody that's just like, alright, let's just go here. And then the way that he acts too, like he'll be like, I'm about to take you out. I'm like, oh, he's still asking like that.
And it's even times, yo, when we go out, I'll go out with my bros, we're like, yo, you wanna come? Like, she be hanging around the homies. Like, come on now. She's one of the homies. My bros be asking me like, yo, you bringing Chanel? I'm like, mad buffalo. My bros be like, oh, you bringing Chanel? You bringing Chanel? Duh, I'm bringing Chanel. If you see me, you see her. That's that.
Exactly. Let him know.
What
These
is
ones
it?
are cool though. I
Pretty.
like them.
And if you guys want to see, wings done, pizza done.
Ice cream?
Oh, y'all did it. So, right, as we pull up to the pizza spot, she goes, I want birthday cake. I'm like, is she talking about like actual cake? She goes,
No, I want the ice cream.
so of course we had to get her a little pint of birthday cake ice cream that she's gonna bust down in a few. 'Cause I don't think I guess that wraps this up. Well, I'm Ryan, this is Chanel, and we're done. Bow! No? No? Okay, let's try this again. You close it then.
So that's the end, guys. Hope you enjoyed.
Our mukbang, our
Thank you,
mukbang.
Renee.
Wraps up our first
Video, guys.
Yes.
And
And we'll see you guys next time
If
to
you-
tell you guys how we met.
if you could just drop a like.
Subscribe.
I'm Ryan,
I'm Chanel.
and you just finished watching the
Benzos.
dun 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 dun. Nah, we you gotta go. That's it. No.